Hey everybody, so it's been a few days since I've posted a video up on my TikTok. So there's a couple of TikToks that I've got, like a couple of accounts that I've got that I've been working on. And I just want to show you how crazy AI technology is with like videos and all this. I mean, creating a video, I'm part of the Faceless Flipping Diamond member. Now, this gives, and the inner circle as well. So this gives you so much stuff to get on with inside the back office. Now, with AI coming along the way it is, it's super scary on how detailed everything is. I just want to show you, I want to share with you a video that I had made. Now, there's no sound to it because I need to put sound to it, but check this out, guys. Check this out, right? I'm just going to play it. So I'm just going to show you. So here we are. So if I scroll it back and then press play, look how crazy detailed that is. I mean, that's insane. And this isn't the highest quality video that I've had made. This is just one of them, okay? The highest detail that I'm going to have made is in the process at the moment, and it's picking a moment in the year which was significant, and hopefully it'll be back to me before then, so I can post it up on my other channel. So I've got another TikTok channel which is solely dedicated to the AI videos. Okay, so it's just showing you how crazy detailed AI videos actually is. And Paul Lynch and his Faceless flipping team has given us the tools that we need now to progress onwards and upwards with this. And I'm absolutely astonished by the details that some of these videos are. And, you know, they're absolutely crazy. I mean, absolutely crazy videos. The sound quality are amazing as well, and I'm really looking forward to pushing on with this channel and then watching it grow. So if this sounds like it's something for you and can help you in your business whatsoever, with Faceless Flipping means that you don't have to put this on camera. Okay, so that means that they're going to be putting videos on your TikTok for you. Well, you'll be putting videos on TikTok for you. They'll be making the videos for you. Okay, so it's crazy, crazy business, this Faceless Flipping. I didn't realize how crazy it is until you see people actually selling faceless TikTok accounts for like 10 grand with like 100,000 followers on there. So that's absolutely insane, guys. And with the creators account, if you've got like a lot of people on your account and your videos are getting like 1 million views and you're getting paid $1 for every 1,000 views, then you do the math. That is super crazy on making money that way too. So as I said, if this sounds like it's something for you, please don't hesitate to reach out and then send me a message, or go to my description on my bio and then click on the link and fill out all the details there. And you can get my 30 ways to make money on TikTok PDF document sent to your inbox. Okay, guys? So go ahead, fill out the details, and I'll see you on the next video.